For today's recipe, we are combining two of my favorite easy recipes and making delicious Snickerdoodle blondies. In a medium bowl, combine 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, and 1/2 of a teaspoon of cream of tartar. Whisk until it's well combined and then set aside. In a separate large bowl, combine 1 cup of packed brown sugar, and this could be light or dark, as well as 1/2 cup of salted butter that's melted and cooled slightly. We will also be adding in 1 large room temperature egg, and lastly 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm going to whisk this for about 2 minutes or until everything is well combined. As always, all of these instructions as well as the full written recipe can also be found down in the description box below, so make sure to check that out as well. Now that this is combined, I'm going to add in my dry ingredients, and now I'm switching to a spatula. We're going to mix this until everything is well incorporated and no streaks of flour remain. You don't want to overmix your blondies. If you would prefer, this of course could also be done using a hand or a stand mixer. Next, we're going to line an 8" by 8" pan with some parchment paper. And then we're going to pour our mixture into our prepared pan. Use your spatula to spread the batter into the pan as evenly as possible. I find it's very helpful to hold onto the parchment with your thumb so it doesn't slide around as much. Try to get it into all of the corners and as level as possible, but it will level out when baking. Lastly, I'm going to combine 2 tablespoons of white sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Whisk it up and sprinkle it over top of your prepared blondies to add that delicious Snickerdoodle flavor. These are going to bake in an oven preheated to 350 Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius for 20 to 24 minutes. Once baked, they're going to be very soft and need to cool in the pan for an hour. Then they can easily be removed and cut into squares for serving. These Snickerdoodle blondies have the classic rich brown sugar and vanilla flavors paired with the perfect amounts of cinnamon spice. With a soft chewy center and a crispy top, the texture is perfect. If you have enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it so much if you would give it a like or subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.